Allow yourself to release the day's events, taking a deep inhale, breathing into the present as you exhale, releasing all that does not serve. And one more time, take a deep inhale and exhale, let out a sound. And one more time, inhale and exhale, releasing. And one more time, inhale, breathing into your wholeness, your truth, the light within you. And exhale all that is not true and is not you. Take a moment, sense your body resting on your surface. Feel the weight of your body and feel the weight of the surface beneath you, holding you, supporting you, letting all the walls, floors, ceilings, technology just dissolve into Mother Earth. Imagine yourself in a beautiful nature field. It could be here in Hawaii or any place that engenders healing and wholeness for you. Sense the soft wind caressing. Feel and sense the waters, the rain just outside washing clear. And just tune into the sounds of the birds and all of nature humming around. With each exhale, just letting go even more deeply, releasing. With each inhale, just breathing in the healing quality that is your very breath, that is within your very body, and that surrounds you in all the elements all around you. And feel yourself just dropping deeper into the present, deeper into your breath, tuning in as your breath breathes in your body and your body breathes in your breath, counting to 3 with each inhale, counting to 3 with each exhale. Imagine that you have energetic roots dropping down through your core, through your legs and your feet and the base of your spine, like the tree with its roots dropping down into the earth, into all the layers of the earth, to the soil beds, the river beds, the crystal beds, and into the core of the earth where there's that molten ball of crystalline iron, rich prana. And just allow all the stressors to just wash away as you inhale that restorative, regenerative, renewing flow of the earth, of that earthly chi, of that pure prana, of that pure life force of the earth, untouched by any human, her pure essence, her pure regenerating, life-giving force. Breathe her in through your energetic roots, into your belly, into your hara, into your heart space, and into the head space. And then as you exhale, like this beautiful rain, let it wash your mind, wash your body, wash out your skin. We'll do that again. Inhaling, breathing in that delicious prana, that regenerative force of Gaia, breathing her in into your belly, into your heart, into your head space. And then as you exhale, like a beautiful cleansing rain, let it wash your mind, wash your body, wash out your skin. Place one hand on your belly and one hand on your heart space. Tune into that union and communion, your breath and your body as one, as you're connecting to that heartbeat and breath and body of the earth. And it's as if the earth is breathing you in as you're breathing in the earth. One fluid flow. And just taking a moment here, letting the breath deepen, letting presence deepen, all the tension just washing away. And just soaking in as you receive the healing quality of your very breath, the healing quality of the elements all around you, bathing you, nourishing you. As thoughts arise, internal or external distractions arise, just observe them like clouds in the sky passing through. Come back to your breath, come back to your body, come back to the healing force within you and all around you. Simply present, simply being, simply receiving nature's essence within you, nature's healing within you, and nature's power and regenerations all around you. Taking a deep breath, breathing into all that you've received, and exhale that through. And again, inhale and exhale that through. And then as you're ready, just sensing your body's weight on the surface. And taking a moment, just wiggling your fingers and your toes. Gently opening your eyes. Taking in all that goodness. Mindfully, gently bringing yourself back into your space. Acclimating to the space around you. As you're ready, drinking some water, grounding in your body, in presence. And if you'd like, take a moment and journal your experience, and just know at any time you can return and reconnect. Infinite blessings your way.